here. Sisi, you said you saw the incident yesterday when it happened. What exactly did you see?
What I see is that, okay, the incident, I was there in the robot. I was coming to shopping to Boxer, then I just bought to whatever it is, Croatia, and it was a tragedy to me. Even now, I'm not okay, but I can speak. What I saw, before, the robots were closed for me to cross. Then I just stand there. Then it was a bomb or something that it was by, I don't know, it came from another way or whatever it is way. Okay, then it was just big bomb, boom, out of the way. Then after, I was so speechless. I stand in, then everybody was running and running. Then when I saw it was a taxi, bounce. Then after bouncing the taxi, I saw there was a mother who is selling the umbila nomroho, whatever it is. Then the taxi, that quantum, it broke her to the robot, and the